back to Things Can Be Incredible. In this video, we are gonna make reverse parking alarm. If you fix this in any vehicle, it will give you indication when this object will come closer to any obstacle. This project will be little bit different. Alarm frequency gets activated when you come closer to any obstacle. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking the like, share, and subscribe button given below. It's free. Connect Arduino ground to ultrasonic sensor ground. Connect ultrasonic sensor VCC to Arduino plus 5 volt. Connect ultrasonic sensor trigger pin to analog 8th pin of Arduino. Connect ultrasonic sensor echo pin to analog 4th pin of Arduino. Connect the buzzer's negative wire to Arduino's ground. Connect the buzzer's positive wire to Arduino 7th pin. For the code part, we need a software known as Arduino IDE. You can get it on Microsoft Store. These are the code for the project. I will give in the description so you can access the code. So first we will verify the code that is it correct or not. Then we will upload it. This is how I fixed this in my vehicle.